What's up guys, Francis here today. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make $2,000 to $5,000 per month, okay, sending emails, okay. And with this method anybody can literally do it if you follow the steps I'm going to be outlining in this video. Okay, now what to expect from this video today is I'm going to be showing you guys how to get niche targeted emails, okay, and the best way to get those emails. All right, also I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best tool you can use to send out those emails, okay, and get over 70% open rate. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the free way to do this and also using the paid version of this tool also. All right, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how to make money by just clicking the send button, okay. And the cool part about this is that this is a worldwide method and it works literally anywhere. All you need is your computer, your mobile phone, and internet connection, okay. Now this is information where you can find in other online paid courses, okay. I'm going to be sharing this with you guys for free, okay. This is information where you can pay about $50, $100 or $200, even upwards to $500, okay, to see this information in other paid programs, okay, which you're going to be getting right here for free, okay. And if this is your first time on my video, my name is Francis Abogonye, okay. I make entrepreneurship videos, or I make money online methods and strategies, okay. I document my journey on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to smash that red subscribe button, tick the bell notification icon, that way you get notified whenever I come up with new videos, okay. But that being said, let's dive right into the video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the method, okay, to get the emails, okay, and make money sending out emails. All right, so first things first, if you didn't watch my previous video where I talk about getting emails from Instagram, it's still the same method I'm going to be utilizing, but in a more advanced or in a more better way, okay. So first things first, I'll come over to Google and type in site, okay, column instagram.com space open double quotes. All right, I'm going to be targeting a particular location. For this I'll do London, it's my location. All right, space double quote again. I'm going to be targeting people who are into cakes, maybe people who bake cakes. All right, double quotation close. I love cakes also. Open under the double quotation at Gmail. I'm going to be targeting Gmail email addresses, okay. .com double quotes. Search this. So I actually opened this before, but I'm going to do that again. I just quickly open all this on a new tab, okay, so I can take a look on what the Instagram account actually look like, okay. Just gonna open them up real quick. Okay, now I can open all this up, okay, and see I'm actually targeting the right niche, okay. Like I said earlier on, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to target the exact niche and get the exact contact, okay. Here is the exact email, okay, for this person, and this person is actually in London, and they're into cakes, okay, they bake cakes. All right, so what I'm going to do is just to copy this, okay, then put them on a spreadsheet, okay. I just don't want to waste any much of your time, so I can get this method step by step done, so you can know how to get the most, or I'm just going to show you how to get this done real quick, okay. So I'm just going to put this up on a spreadsheet real quick, okay. Put this there, just double click right here, okay, come right here. I'm going to copy their email address, okay, put it on a spreadsheet right here. For your location, I'm just going to type in London, okay. I'm going to put London right there, okay. So I'm going to do this for another person. You can see this one right here, they're also into cakes. All right, and the name is the target London cakes right here, okay. But I guess the name should be Lonora, okay. This should be the name, okay. I'm just gonna gamble this right now and guess this name. I'm just gonna go with this instead of London cakes as the name, okay. Come right here, put down the name. I want to reduce the font size to, let's say 14. This one should be okay, 12. Let's take this down to 12, okay. 12 is just fine. 12 points. Come right here, let's get the email address, okay. Put this down here. You can literally do this in any niche, okay. Then for the location is also London. All right, so we're just gonna put London, okay. Just you can easily type that in if you want, or depending on if you're targeting different locations, okay, that would be the reason why you will need this. Okay, if you're just targeting one location, you don't need to put location right here. This is just for us to know where the people are coming from. Okay, that is why we're putting down their locations. So for this one, I'll do the same thing. Copy this, come right here. Oh no, come right here, paste this right here, then get the email. This person's name should be Shannon. Okay, then I'll just come right here, paste this, call this London. Okay, I'm just gonna stop right here. Okay, I'll just call this cake London. Okay, leads. Let me just put leads right here. So I'm just gonna stop right here. So we need to contact these people. Okay, and what we're going to be doing, the tool we're going to be using to contact these people to get 70% open rate, okay, is Gmass. Okay, if you don't know about Gmass is a software. Okay, it's an email software you can use to send out emails. Okay, and it integrates directly into your Gmail account. Okay, once you have Gmass installed, you have the Chrome extension installed right here, or you've paid you've done the paid version of the Gmass. Okay, you can easily use that to send out emails. Okay, so what we're going to be doing right now is to load up this email. Now, if you don't know, I ran a quick search on Google on the sending limit for Gmail. Okay, currently, okay, you can send about 500 emails, okay, using your Gmail account, which is actually free, okay, for 24 hours. Okay, with this method I'm going to share with you guys, you can actually use your Gmail account, okay, to send out these emails to these people. Okay, if you don't have any money to spend, you're on a budget, you just want to get started, okay, you can send out 500 emails every single day. So imagine if I want to send out email to this person right here, okay, on Gmail, I can just come here, put this email right here, click on this BCC recipient, okay, and add up more emails. Okay, I can just come right here, come to this section, add more emails, come here, take this person, copy, come here, add more emails. As long as I'm using this as long as I'm adding them right here on this BCC, okay, these emails are going to be sent to these people individually. Okay, they are not going to be sent to them showing these other people's email addresses. Okay, it's going to send to this one individual. Okay, you can see this is real email addresses right here. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'll just put a subject line and say I will just put a subject line depending on what I want to promote to them. Okay, then I'm going to send out those emails. It is that simple. Okay, now I want to share with you guys, this is the free way, okay, to use this tool. Okay, you can use Gmail, okay, to do this method. Gmail is an awesome tool, and I know a lot of people have Gmail accounts. Okay, now Gmass also integrates into your Gmail account. Okay, and Gmass, the cool part about Gmass is that you can send out bulk emails at the same time. Okay, now you can send over 2,000 emails using Gmass. Okay, now you can see right here, I just ran a quick Google search also on the Gmass blog, sorry, they actually said Gmass has over 70% open rates. Okay, it has over 70% open rates, unlike if you're using Aweber and other email marketing software, the open rate are very low, very thin, and also some of those your emails mostly go to the spam folder. But with Gmass, it tends to come directly into the person's inbox. Okay, it comes directly into their inbox. And the cool part about it is that Gmass also has follow-up. Okay, you can do auto follow-up, you can schedule emails and all that. And Gmass sends out over 2,000 emails per day. The regular Gmail sends out just 500 emails per day, but with Gmass you can send out 2,000 emails per day. And once you have the Chrome extension installed on your computer, okay, and you sign up for Gmass, you're going to have your Gmail is going to have the Gmass button right here. Okay, it's going to be replacing the send button. All right, so you can use that to send out bulk email. Now let's look at the pricing for Gmass. What does Gmass actually cost? Okay, Gmass cost about $8.95. This is like $9, okay, $13, $20 per month, okay, and the difference is not that much, okay. You can still get a lot of value from this low package right here, okay, for Gmass, because the idea of this, like you can see what they're offering right here, no Gmass footer on sent emails, okay. I don't really see the difference. You can leave the footer right there, okay, but if you want to get rid of the footer, okay, you have to go for this package right here. And also with this basic one, there's no auto follow-ups, okay. Since you're just starting out, you can actually follow up manually, okay. You can follow up manually if you want to. You can keep track, okay. You just keep a record on who you've replied to and all that. Just do the follow-up on your own manually, okay. But if you want to do it automatic, okay, you have to come to the premium version right here, okay. Now you can see these other features are all here, okay. Now the difference between this standard and this one is just this email footer right here, okay, which you can just leave that. All right, so you can just go with this one for just $9 per month. I'm actually going to link this in the description of this video, okay, so you can get signed up with Gmass, okay, and start sending out emails, okay, and get more open rates, okay, because it's going directly to their inbox, okay. Whoever you're sending the emails to, mostly if you're sending from Gmail to Gmail, is going to be going directly into their inbox, okay. So now let's take a look at how we're going to be sending out emails once we have those emails. Now you should, like I said earlier on, you should make sure you have a list of the emails you've already come up with, okay. You should have a list of those emails. If you want to be sending out emails, and the effective way to be doing that, okay, once you're composing your message, like I mentioned earlier on, if you're just using the free method, okay, once you're composing your message, okay, make sure you're personalizing every single message you're sending out, okay. For example, if you say hello, if you're sending out individual emails, you should personalize them. All right, let's say you want to send out to this person, you can just say hello Ali. I can come right here. Hello Ali. Oh, this is too big. Let me just type that out. Simple. Then before you start typing out your emails, okay, you must make sure you want to personalize your emails when sending out individual emails, okay, to create more rapport or to build up the relationship, okay. So if you're just sending out emails, okay, you've gotten all the leads right here on your Google spreadsheet, okay. Make sure you sign into your Google account, your Gmail account, your spreadsheet when you're creating the leads, okay, putting out the leads. Once you already have Gmass installed, what you can now do is you have this button right here. Let me take this out. You have this button right here, okay, which you can just click on it. All right, and it's going to bring up this is a Gmass button, okay, for Google spreadsheet, for Google Sheets, okay. So you can click here and select the leads. You can see right here the one I did before. I say Cake London leads, okay. You can click on it and connect to the spreadsheet. All right, just leave that as that. Then you can see it right here, okay. We have 3 recipients right here for Gmass, okay, and Gmass just sent me a notification that they've hidden my sent button, okay. You can see they pull those emails right here, okay, and they've hidden my sent button, okay. So I now have all those emails right here, and Gmass is actually going to send them individual emails, okay, to be like the emails are coming from me directly to them, okay. It's not going to show like a bulk email, and it's going directly into their inbox. Let me just close this one. It's going directly into their inbox, okay. That is the good part about Gmass. So you can now put in your subject line, okay, and send out your emails. Let's say you want to send out emails, okay, promoting a particular software, okay, to people who are into the cake niche, okay, who are into cakes, and how the software can actually help them, or whatever you're promoting. Let's say you're an affiliate with a particular program or a particular product, okay, and you're trying to promote something. All right, you can just send out this email and say this will help, something like that, on the subject. This will definitely actually spell this correctly. This would definitely help. Then you can now say, you can now start typing the body of your email. All right, and say hello, hello, my name is Francis and I came across your posts on Instagram where I got your email address and I thought I should share this amazing tool you can add to your website that helps with customer support. Okay, as simple as that. You can craft out your message depending on, tailor it to the product you're promoting. Okay, I can just say here is the link for you to check it out. Okay, very simple. And I'm going to be adding a link right there. Just a second, just give me a second. Just say regards. All right, you can do something like this. Then let's say I'm promoting a product on JVZoo. Okay, what I'll literally do is, let me just pick one at random. Okay, if you're on JVZoo, you can get signed up with JVZoo. If you don't have a JVZoo account, you can get signed up with JVZoo. Okay, it's actually free and it's a joint venture marketplace. Okay, where product owners, okay, find affiliates to promote their product. So I can click on this one. This is called Chatter Power. Okay, I can click on this, copy this affiliate link right here. Okay, and I see a bunch of people, a lot of people online, okay, just pasting in their links like this, okay, which is actually not going to be clickable, except they'll have to copy it. Okay, they'll have to copy this link and put it on a browser, okay, before they can actually access this. So they'll have to copy this, okay, open a new browser and paste it before they can access it. Okay, as I see a lot of people doing this, maybe you just send people this link like this, which is not actually clickable. Okay, so to make this clickable, what I mostly do, or what I recommend you do, is to select this. Okay, cut this. All right, so you're going to be embedding it under this one to make this clickable. Okay, so just select this right here, this area, come to this section right here, insert link. So you're going to make it a hyperlink. Click on this web address, paste your link right here, and okay it. By so doing, it will make this one clickable. Okay, this is how I recommend you should be doing it. So you can send out emails every single day. Okay, and you can use Gmass to do that, to send about 2,000 emails. All right, if you're using just the normal Gmail, you can send about 500 emails per day. But if it's for Gmass, you can use you can send out 2,000 emails every single day, and it just costs you $9 per month. Okay, I don't see any need for the follow-up once you're starting up, but on the long run, maybe when you start making money, you can do the follow-up, okay, which is around $20 per month, or which is actually $20 per month. All right, so I'm going to link Gmass in the description of this video. You can get signed up with Gmass if you want to. All right, so if you find any value in this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Okay, tell me what you're currently implementing and how I can make this better next time when I'm making more videos. Okay, so until next time, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in another one. Bye bye for now.